welcome to another Random Geeky Fall vlog.
Wait guys, look at our GPS. It says Robus.
That's where we're going, the Pumpkin Patch Robus today.
Roba Family Farm.
We love the family farm.
We love the family farm.
Pumpkin patch, hay ride, jumping pillow, playground, the hay place, a place for hay.
Don't forget about the best food.
The best food?
Apple cider donut.
Yes. Okay, first up,
We're at Roba.
we got the animals. Hello. Hello.
I know what to do.
They're ready. Whoa, they're gonna fight over it.
I love it. I love when they like.
Look at the piggies. Look at
Noah.
Whoas. Look at the piggies. Hello guys. Hiya. Yeah, there you go. Yep, yeah. Oh wow, look at that one. Look at Rach.
That deserves some food.
You excited? Are you stuck in there? You need to give other people turns. You can't just take the whole thing. So you're anti-cord maze. Okay. I don't know why.
Look through the entrance. You can see what it looks like.
We can all go in together.
No! That's some. Here, I'll let you have a few.
Good job, goats. Oh, Rachel, here's a thing. Follow them, Rach. Look at them all sitting up there. Very cute. Is it that one that's making noise right there? Oh, I know. There's more out here. That's very nice, Rach. Bill, bunnies? Bye, bunnies.
Don't put that much in. Rachel, it's wasting.
Look at the bunnies.
More in there.
Rachel, that's enough. That's enough. You're wasting it.
No.
Rachel, this guy wants food. Oh, and so does this one.
I don't want to get.
I don't have any. I don't have any. No, I don't have any.
I have any. I have some. Yo, what up, bro? No, I'm not gonna give you any.
Hi, guys.
Bye, animal area. We're going to Roba's.
Oh, we are in Robus.
Yeah, but we're going to the actual main part of Roba's.
Oh, okay.
We're here.
Yes, we are.
I think this playground is really the best.
It's a really good playground. Just careful of the mud and stuff. Hi. What's up?
Welcome to Burger King. What may I get you?
Ooh, Burger King. I'll get a chicken nugget.
All right, here's chicken nuggets and here's a free Whopper.
Thanks. Rachel, what are you doing with that hay? Don't do that. Aww.
Go ahead, Daddy, please.
Rachel, that is such a slow slide. You could totally do that.
Without you.
Go ahead, kick it to Daddy. Oh, gotta try to get it in the goal. Yay, good job. You have to try to get it where Daddy is. You gotta get it past Daddy. Whoa, watch the ball when you're kicking it. Oh no! Woo! Give her a chance, Daddy. No, kick it, Rachel. Kick it, it's soccer. Oh, go, 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 Rach, go, go, go. Kick it in, kick it in. Oh, try it again. Hurry up, he's coming, he's coming. Yay, good job.
Want to do the cannon?
All right, how much is the cannon? Just do it then. Yeah. Cornhole. All right, that was a good try. Good try.
Try again. We're gonna back up a little.
I don't remember them having all this sports stuff. This is like new. Oh, okay. You might want to go a little closer. Woo! Oh no! No! Ah. Oh! Ow! Ow! Don't do that again. All right. Tug of war over. All right, after a little brief rainstorm and Adam shooting the pumpkin cannons, which is his dream, and
It was actually apple cannon.
apple cannons, we're gonna watch the pig races.
All right, our little piggies go through an extensive training program. They start in those gates right there. They run plumb all the way around the track over these super high hurdles, around the back stretch and into their lovely home where they get a reward. That reward is they get a crumbled up Oreo cookie on top of their food. That's why they run so fast to get back there. 1, 2, 3. All right, we get this first group of pigs from Cousin Mabel. Cousin Mabel calls these a Yorkshire. You can race, ring that bell.
Go piggies, here they come!
Woo!
Here they come. They're gonna want to right by us.
Go
piggies!
Purple has the lead, and purple is the winner. And we'll do the yellow, whatever that is. All right, cousin, let's see if these pigs can race. Ring that bell. I don't think anybody's catching point on this one. Pink is the winner.
What'd you get?
All right.
A spider ring? Is that awesome? Yay! You got to be a pig leader. Good job.
I was so scared he wasn't gonna pick me, but he picked me.
You got picked. Yeah, you got a cool ring. Happy birthday.
Lunchtime.
This is the Munchkin jump.
Alright, maybe I'll do the Munchkin.
Good girl.
My jumps are crazy! Oh my god! Look at me! Oh my gosh! Pants Daddy.
Don't pants
For
daddy.
you too.
Don't pants daddy for you
Do
too.
it myself.
Yeah, okay. There's the little choo-choo.
I'm excited, Mommy and Daddy.
Oh, good. You're gonna have a good time. Welcome back. Look at all those fishies. Are you gonna feed the fishies? Oh, she just threw them all in at once. Oh, okay.
Attention, everyone on the farm, the Robust Candy Cannon. 2 o'clock, right next to the slide.
The Robust Candy Cannon. I don't know. Do you think we should go to the Candy Cannon? Whoa. Did you get something? What'd you get? Oh, Starburst. She has decided to brave the maze for the first time ever. This is not only Rachel's first corn maze, this is Mommy's first corn maze. Ah, delicious corn. I don't think you're really supposed to eat the corn maze. Find it?
Yeah.
Oh, thank goodness. We found it. We survived the corn maze.
Again. So we could have a few donuts.
We can have one donut each, not a few donuts.
But I love apple fritters.
You can have a donut, okay? I said you could have a donut. All right, oh, thank you.
Let's go to the cow.
Yes, we can go to the cows. We're gonna sit down though. Why don't you sit down for a minute, okay? Is it good?
Yeah, it's actually like awesome.
His eyes are moving, Rich. The bee barn.
My name is Bert, and I'm a beekeeper. Here at Rowe Family Farms, we bring in 40 colonies of honeybees to help pollinate our pumpkins. Did you know there are 3 different types of bees in the colony? During the peak summer months, they only live 6 weeks because they literally work themselves to death for the benefit of the colony.
Don't get them all dizzy. And finally, the whole reason you come, to walk through the pumpkin patch and find a pumpkin.
I haven't found one yet.
No, I know. It's plant.
This is my gym.
Whoa, look at that one. Is that the one you wanted, Daddy? There's a lot of really big pumpkins over here. Okay. I like that one. No, not for the jack-o'-lantern, it's not too big. Well, that was a really fun day at Roba's, guys.
And I got a horse thing.
Of course, we got horse stickers.
Rachel, what was your favorite part?
Getting the horse stickers and the jumping pillow.
Oh, cool. And I like that we got some donuts. Yay. All right. Well,
I finally got to shoot the apple cannons.
the apple cannons, yeah. They're not pumpkin cannons.
No, they're
I think my favorite part was the candy cannon, which we never saw before. Well, that was a really fun video. I'm glad we got to do this year. And I will see you in the next one. More Halloween stuff, we'll see.
More fall stuff.
Bye.